How to change video thumbnails on Instagram after posting. Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to change the video thumbnail on Instagram after posting. First, go to the Instagram app and log in to your account. Then tap on your profile icon shown at the bottom. Now choose any of your posted videos and tap on the three dots shown here. Here, you will get the option and tap on it. After that, you have to select the cover option and add it from the camera roll or the idea. For demonstration, I've selected the camera roll and chose any photo from the gallery. Then hit the done button and it will change the video thumbnail. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.